Yeah, Tracy and Fred, there were some tense moments in the courtroom during the afternoon session when the prosecution's expert witness on police use of force and justification took the stand. He is a doctor from South Carolina, and he testified that, in his opinion, based on his review of the case, he believes that Dial and his partner did not follow proper police protocol during that traffic stop with Eddie Irizarry almost 2 years ago. But during cross-examination, the doctor told the court he never reviewed the Pennsylvania crime code as it pertains to use of force. The second day of former Philadelphia police officer Mark Dial's criminal trial beginning this morning with protesters outside the courthouse in Center City.
We're here for Eddie Irizarry, we're here for justice, and we're going to keep fighting.
Dial's facing third-degree murder charges for shooting and killing 27-year-old Eddie Irizarry during an August 2023 traffic stop in Kensington. Dial and his partner's body-worn camera footage is a key piece of evidence in the case. Dial claims he fired at Irizarry in self-defense after Irizarry refused multiple commands to show his hands and was holding a weapon.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Several officers testified today about the role they played in the aftermath of the shooting. A member of the crime scene unit narrated a video he recorded and pointed out a kitchen knife positioned between Irizarry's driver's seat and the center console, as well as an opened folding knife in the front of the car. Another witness told the jury there were 2 knives in the car. The prosecutor then asked Lieutenant, "Did you see a gun in the vehicle?" To which he responded, "No." The question about what type of weapon Dial and his partner, Officer Michael Morris, believed Irizarry had in his car has been debated by both the prosecution and defense. On the witness stand Monday, Officer Morris said he believed he shouted "knife" before Dial started shooting. But after watching and listening to video showing the events of that day, Dial's defense lawyer asked Morris if it sounded like he shouted "gun." Morris replied saying, "From the video, yes, it sounds like I do say it." So the prosecution is finished presenting their witnesses. The defense starts tomorrow. The jury was released around 4:20 this afternoon. Now, after that, Dial's attorney asked the judge for what's called a judgment of acquittal for the third-degree murder charges, arguing the Commonwealth did not prove in their case that Dial had malice when he shot Irizarry. The judge denied that motion, saying he wants the jury to decide. The jury could have the case in the next day or two. Live outside the Criminal Justice Center in Center City, I'm Sheehan, NBC 10 News.